What's going on YouTube? Welcome again to another Super Duke video. So for this one, finally got something I've been waiting for, which is the replacement seat. And it's right here. It took about like 2 weeks for some reason for this store to ship it to me. I got it from a store on Amazon, so because for some reason it's a good deal over there, but I got it. So uh, took them. I think it's from my East Coast kind of dealership that sold the seat in Amazon. So here's the seat. It looks to be brand new to me. Doesn't look like it came in a KTM box and it's sealed, so it looks like it's legit. So I'm gonna go put this on now and see how it looks, and I'll try to sit on it. By the profile of it right now, you can kind of tell that it's actually a little bit taller. So you guys already know. For those that know, it's meant to be taller. So let's go ahead and take this seat off. So I'm gonna try my best to do all of this single-handedly with a camera on my hand. Put that there, and seat. Put that here. Let's get the new Ergo seat. She's using the SS1000 as a table because that's all it's good for now. Just kidding. I just love the Super Duke now so much. I feel bad about the S1000. I feel bad. I still love the bike. So don't get me wrong. All right, I had to pause the video there because I had to use two hands to hook. I had to hook the two sides from here and here. It doesn't slide in as easily as the stock seat, so there's another notch there's like a notch here that slots into like a hole there. So yeah, just took two hands this time and not a single hand. Passenger seat cowl. So off the bat, you can clearly tell how tight this area is now. Sorry if it's too dark, but it's a little tight on this area now. The stock seat wasn't that, like, there's some space here, but now it's a little tight. So I don't know if that's normal or not, but we're gonna lower the bike and see. I'm gonna sit on it and see how it feels. All right, you guys, so brought it out to the sun so that you can see what the whole bike looks like right now with the Ergo seat. So definitely complements the color and this. You see the stitching, a little bit of hint of orange there. It's a nice touch. So overall, that's how the bike is supposed to look like. So here's the one I was talking about. It's a little tight. I guess it's pushing a little bit. Not really. I guess just, well, definitely the stock seat has more room, like more slack on this area, but for some reason it's like kind of tight feeling over there. But I don't think it's binding or hurting anything. So there to go. Pretty short video. I just wanted to show you guys the installation of the stock seat. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I mean, 2 weeks. So I was debating if I should really get it or not at first, and then I actually sat on it because of this foam here. It made the bike a little bit wider, but at the same time it added more foam, so it is a little bit taller in that sense, and there is a little bit more cushioning. So yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.